Assalamualaikum. My name is Walaina Zara. I'm going to present to you the introduction of our topic. But before that, I will tell you the sustainable development. Sustainable development is defined as development that satisfy the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to satisfy theirs. For the sustainable construction is a new approach in the building industry that improves the way people build and live. It prepared towards utilizing from the point of view and environment responsible process in the construction. It also involves using renewable and recyclable materials on building project.
Hi, my name is Wan Arika Ashraf binti Wan Ali. My matrix number is B0822102228. So for relevant technology, is divided by 4. Firstly, solar power has been increasingly exploited as a sustainable construction technology. In green construction, it is utilized in 2 ways. One pertains to active solar power and the other is passive solar power. Active solar power is the use of functional solar system that absorb the sun's radiation to cater for heating and electricity. On the other hand, passive solar power is a design that uses the sun rays to warm homes through the strategic placement of window and the use of heat-absorbing surface. Second relevant energy is biodegradable materials, lead to the accumulation of waste products and toxic chemicals, the majority of which take hundreds of years to degrade. And even if they degrade it contaminates and harms the environment. Biodegradable materials such as organic paints.
Electrochromic smart glass. The electronic smart glass is a new technology that works particularly in summer periods to shut out the harsh heat of the solar radiation. The smart glass uses a tiny electric signal to slightly charge the windows to change the amount of solar radiation it reflects. It is incorporated into the building's control system, therefore allowing users to choose the amount of solar radiation to block. With this technology, homes and commercial buildings can save a lot of heating, ventilating, and air conditioning costs. Lastly, sustainable indoor environment technology. Sustainable indoor environment technology, the health and safety of the building occupants are fundamental and must be guaranteed during the construction of any building or home. As such, sustainable indoor technologies are mandatory of green construction. The material used have to ensure green safety standard, which include hazard-free element, non-toxic material, low volatile emission, and moisture resistant. For instance, material from coal, wood, and bamboo are natural sources that do not have any toxic, irritating, and carcinogenic elements.
Hi, in this part is about analyze technically the solution for the sustainable construction. We have 4 methods. 2 methods will introduced by me, Nur Afika Saira, and another 2 methods by Denisha. So the first method is selecting sustainable and recycled materials. One of the best ways to practice sustainability in construction is through the materials that are used. A new generation of stronger, lighter, and more sustainable building materials can help solve many problems in the industry as well as push current practices to be more sustainable. These materials have the added benefit of protecting the environment by reducing the carbon footprint of the buildings that use these materials. They promote a cleaner earth and a future of sustainability while also being aesthetically appealing and much more efficient. The second method is cutting materials precisely in order to reduce waste. The constructor must purchase and measure materials correctly and accurately. If they want to cut wood, they must first measure using a measuring tape before doing the wood cutting process. Encourage to cut wood accurately so that there is no waste of wood.
There are many solutions for sustainable construction, and for my point, I'll elaborate how adaptive reuse projects that transform old buildings. If we want to construct a building, we can use an older structure that has been abandoned. This can help reduce the cost of building, construction expenses, and also time. If there are items available in old development that are still good and strong, they can be used again to continue the construction of the building. This can definitely save the cost and is much more cheaper than buying new products for our building. In fact, this can also reduce the occurrence of illegal logging. Furthermore, the solution for sustainable construction is controlling waste management such as separating and recycling waste. If there is more construction activity, they can use the wood or items that are no longer used.
Now, I would like to explain about the advantages of sustainable technologies in economics. Sustainable construction can benefit society and the building owner in an indirect way. Reduce cost for handling complaints, longer building lifespan, improve ability to recruit new employees, shorter project permitting timelines, and lower project permitting costs due to increased asset value are just a few of the financial advantages that sustainable building features can provide owners. Economic benefits from sustainable building include decreased air pollution damage costs and lower infrastructure costs such as avoiding the need for landfills, wastewater treatment facilities, power plant, and transmission and distribution line.
Hi, my name is Nur Suhaila binti Muhammad Sulaiman. My matrix number is B0822100180. So now I'm going to talk about advantage of the sustainable construction in environmental. Okay, the use of green building materials and energy will aid in the fight against climate change. Additionally, cleaner buildings will reduce pollution and waste. The World Green Building Council states that Green buildings can not only reduce or eliminate negative impact on the environment by using less water, energy, or natural resources, but they can often have positive impact on the environment, enhancing the overall biodiversity, manage natural resource responsibly, reduce waste and pollutant, and adapt to help reduce climate change, contributing to the protection and enhancement of our natural and development environment.
I'm Yashka India. I will explain about advantage of this sustainable technology in social aspect. Supporting strong, thriving, and healthy communities by building enough houses to meet the needs of the present and future generation, as well as by design high quality development with easily accessible local service that take into account the needs of the community and promote its social, culture, and physical health. It has also been demonstrated to increase worker productivity during construction due to better surround, work conditions, and noise protection. Social sustainability draws attention to advancement in human life, quality, and environment in which people live, including intergenerational fairness, culture, and health and education. First, supporting strong, thriving, and healthy communities. Second, increase worker productivity. And third, to advancement in human life quality.